Alright, so I don't know what day it is. Day 5 in Bali. Going to get a drink, get some lunch, have kind of a relaxing day because I have work again today. And I want to go to the beach and get some drone footage of the ocean. So let's head over to the beach first and also drop off some laundry. Oh, it's a little bit windy out here. Got a coconut water. Flying my drone. There we go. I just brought out the red no swimming flag and he's waving it around, telling people to come in. I guess it's getting too rough out there. Look at how wild the pathway back to my hotel is. It's like a jungle. Stopped for a coffee. I'm over here at the Goat. I made friends with one of the bartenders, so he told me to come over here. Got a nice looking lamb gyro. Thank you. And there's horse racing on the TV. Did you get one in? No. And this beer is so cold that if you tip it upside down quickly, it instantly freezes. I had to get me a new one because my beer froze. But this is bintang. They make it here in Indonesia. That was fun. I pretty much just spent the whole day losing at pool. I did win one game because the guy got the 8-ball in. Yeah, I'm pretty bad at pool. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. And now I have to work. So, signing off for the night. I know it's not a very long video. Sometimes you just need a day to chill and relax. Alright, see you next one. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.